Is this the top? I got my own weed, sucker, so I ain't gotta hit yours. I'm talking straight endo. Cali weed blowing like a Rastaman. Kush seed straight from Afghanistan. Shooting up the club like an AK. Smoke a P is strong every day. I'm blowing KK, 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 blowing KK. I need it all the time, don't know what else to say. It's always on my mind, that's why every day I'm blowing KK, 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 blowing KK. Put it in a joint, not a blunt. Don't disrespect mine, player. This not the two, this the one. Don't even need a scale. Back in high school, I used to be the weed man. Quarter ounces, half ounces, what you need, man. 11th grade, made my way up to a P, man, and sent it back if I ever seen a seed, man. And you don't even gotta ask, you know it by the smell. I treat every day like it's a payday.